Shad saddlebags, top case, and backrest. They've been excellent. Lots of room. Way better than the Honda's OE Touring Edition ones. I believe the rider's side sacrifices some liters. These ones don't. 23 liters on both sides, 39 liters top case. Fully carbon. Now this is what you can fit inside these saddlebags. My jacket. Gloves. Cleaning supplies. Going to the gym. Protein shake. Water bottles. Combs. Yes, I do. Still do that. I do myself some drills, man. Always got to keep up with that. Top case is amazing. Gym bag. Hoodie. Rain gear. Don't see any other videos out here about this top case. It's all by Shad, the 3P mounting system. That's how it hooks up. Needed more storage and a place for my helmet. This 3P system can also convert to a different storage. Saddlebags, bigger. I'll link it in the description. The best thing about this case, your helmet can go in here. Check this out. There you go. You ever pull up to a spot and I'm like, yeah, I don't want to bring my helmet in. Nah, thanks. Well, here we go. Bam. All lockable. Lockable, waterproof. These cases are amazing. Nice bike. An amazing view. Look at that. There was some sea-doos, jet skis whipping across the lake. I guess they're just chilling now. Amazing view. Nice hot spot.
Only the strong survive.